welcome back to the 100 channel. My name is 100 Pony Gaming, and look at what happened to Roblox. If you're logged out, you see this, a sign up button. Wow, Roblox. Roblox barely developed the game so much. Yeah, he spent time with it. Today, we are going to play some, a la carte de compere. Sorry, I'm broke. Speak English, sir. I mean, sir. Sure. I didn't suspect, even. Logo in guns. I don't even know what you mean, sir. Okay, Baldango is a target. And I'm a guard. Da-da-da. Okay. Don't shoot! Seriously, don't shoot at me. Okay, pretend we're the freaking... Where's the freaking, we have to make sure not to get killed. The assassin! 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 Are you in this bush? No? Bush? Oh. Okay. People are speaking Spanish right now. I wonder why people are speaking Spanish. I mean Span. Got her! No, she's getting away! I see her! Aw, man. Man. Okay, I see myself. We're our, guard. This time we're gonna do much better. Hello, sir. Okay. These two have the exact same... Okay, never mind, I don't know. Okay, the person who's Spanish is the freaking... Okay, why are you shooting? Oh my goodness! I died! That guy is a target, and where are... Oh no. I know where the freaking... Assassin is. Okay, don't tell me. Okay, it is not there. Don't tell me it's not here. Hello? No one. Alright, let's see. Where's the freaking... Okay. Okay. Oh, I thought it was the assassin for a second. Okay, it's a blue guy. Blue hair. Okay, that guy ran. I think the freaking... Don't shoot me. The assassin has been marked. Oh no, he's near the freaking... Oh no. Oh no, the assassin has been marked. Oh no. Oh no. Go! Oh no! Okay, shoot off him. Oh no. Oh, I got him. You? Okay, that guy. Shoot. I'm not sure. That guy, come on. Don't tell me. I have to be very... Oh, man! Okay, I see my paper hat. And I'm a guard. Hello! Oh, sorry. That was not actually, okay. You know what? We're going to, like, okay, that is not Seiki. Okay, oh, there's an assassin tracker. Okay. It's right somewhere. Hello. You're not an assassin. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, don't get me. Okay, go get him. No! Okay, I got him. Okay, that is a smoke bomb. Oh, I saw him. I swear I saw him. Oh! Don't get him. Okay, let me. Oh, I know where he go. I know where he go. Oh my goodness, the game is lagging. Okay, where? Where's the frickin'... Oh! Bye! Have a good time in heaven. Oh no, free for all. Okay. Oh no. I have to use this. Boom. No! No! Let me go! Ugh, that is inappropriate. I have to look behind us because you never know. Okay. Hello again. Ah! Who was shooting behind? Oh, you. You. I know I'm bad. Cool. I just have some. Okay, I hear shooting. I wish I could run. Yeah. Okay, someone. I've. Sneak attack! Haha. That's just what you get for shooting me behind the back. No, no, don't get me! Ah! this guy was shooting her. Okay. 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 Oh, I see something. I spot with my little eye. I see someone in the... Okay. Shoot. Oh my goodness. Eh. Okay. Oh, I hear someone scream. Did you hear that? It's like... Whoa! Okay, it's too late. Okay, I'm a guard. You see me? Someone's jumping. Okay. Alright. Who is... Oh no, it's a guy. Positive space god. I'm Donald Trump. You're not Donald Trump. You have brown hair. You're not brown. You're not actually Donald Trump. Oh no. Oh my goodness. That is not good. Okay. I think this is not a safe place anyways. Because the assassins spawn here. Not gonna lie. But where did the assassin go? Oh, sorry. I thought it was the assassin for a second. Oh, I thought it was the assassin. And it was a freaking guard. Did I saw someone? I spotted with my eyes something that is brown. Oh no. He's trying to get him. Oh my goodness. Oh, you almost got me. No. Okay, he's right there. Okay. He's hiding somewhere. He's hiding in some bush. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Oh, there he is. There he goes. Oh no. Where'd he go? Oh no. Oh, I saw him. Oh, frick. I see you. I see you. I almost got him. Okay, this is not safe at all. I'm not gonna lie. My game lag! Ah! I died. Oh no, we're the assassin. Okay. Let's do this! We're gonna sneak attack. That's what we're gonna do. Hide in this bush. Let's attack this guy. You saw no one. Okay. Oh, yes! Baby! Shoot. I'm gonna hide here. Nope, you saw no one! You saw no one! You got it! Oh yeah, two eliminate you! Alright. Oh, I'm the target now! Protect me. Protect me! Flaws. Don't follow me, dude. I have to avoid this girl. Okay, I can't go in there. You do? Okay. Oh, I know. Let me go. I want to sneaky. I have to be very sneaky. Hide in the bush. Hide here. Okay. Hide in the pine tree. Hide in the pine tree. And go. Hide in the bush. And go. No! Okay. Okay. So, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching Silent Assassin, Episode 1. And please like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm not popular anymore. Let me see these pine trees. Are they organic? Okay.